23. Parabe,
Yes, sir.
read question 23.
The diagram shows two plane mirrors at 90 degrees to each other. A ray of light is incident on one of the mirror. The ray reflects off both mirrors before reaching a screen. At which level point does the ray reach the screen?
So I didn't understand this one.
You see that there is mirror, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So look at the diagram. Not only mirror is given, ray of light is also given, and the normal is also drawn, isn't it? So if you don't draw, then you will not understand. You have to draw. For this type of diagram, you have to draw. That's why I told you to get the worksheet printed. And when you are drawing, as it is mirror, you have to follow the law of reflection. What is that law? Today even I told you twice. What is the law of reflection?
The law of
Incidence is
reflection
equal to
Yes,
R.
yes.
equals to R.
Angle of incidence equals angle of reflection, right? I
Reflection.
equals R. Is it clear to you? Mahe,
Yes, sir.
you are aware of law of reflection?
Yes, sir. I know it.
You know it. Okay, so that law of reflection you have to apply here. Then you will get the you see they asked you at which level point does the ray reach the screen. Then you will get that point accurately. So you got the point, Monica? Have you
Yes,
got the
sir.
point? Where you got the point?
I
Class.
got a B.
B.
Sorry, sir.
Paravi's
Yes.
mom is calling for eating, for having dinner. I gave the break for having dinner. Why didn't you take? Okay. So here we have ray of light. This ray of light will go to other mirror, right? By
Straight.
reflecting.
Yes, sir.
By reflecting, it will go straight or not. We will not focus there. We will focus. Are we maintaining the angle or not? Is it clear? The angle of incidence
Yes,
you
sir.
got, you should maintain that. That's it. The law you got, you should maintain that. So please draw, huh? Mahi, in your copy
Okay,
you
sir.
just draw if you don't have the worksheet printed. This way.
So I have the worksheet printed.
Okay, very good. Then you draw with your ruler. Look, I'm maintaining the angle, huh? This
Okay,
way.
sir.
Here you go. Then after coming here, you draw one normal here first. Normal is perpendicular on the mirror surface, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you give dotted lines. For normal, we can give also complete line, but if you draw dotted lines, then we can understand it is one imaginary line, isn't it?
Yes.
And we can separate between the light rays and normal. Okay, now after reflection, maintain the law of reflection. See, it's going to be right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the angle you see, angle of incidence, angle of reflection are equal. Is it clear to
Oh,
you?
this is easy. Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear? So look here for your understanding. It's not necessary for MCQ to draw everything, but for your understanding, I'm showing you that your angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. This is I, this is R. equal. This is I here and this is R equal. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So it is law of reflection applied. Before solving it, it was very difficult question for you, right, Mahi?
Yes, sir.
Now it is very easy for you. Not
Yes.
only this question, the other questions also, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So they who know and they who don't know, they are not equal, right?
Yes.
They are different. Now look at the diagram here and get your answer. Yeah, Mahi read here. Yeah, Mahi, please read 24.
Which diagram shows the formation of a real image of an object O placed in front of a converging lens?
Yes, so this one is also following the rule or
Yeah.
diagrams you got already. So which one is showing you that one correctly?
Maybe.
Which one? Raise your hand. Who knows the answer? Raise your hand. Two participants raised hand. What about other participant? Okay, so only two participants raised hand.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So what about other participant? He's not raising hand. Okay, what is your answer? Bangladesh or Dhaka? Which one?
No.
Dhaka.
Dhaka.
How? Can you explain, please? Can you
Sir,
explain?
the lines are converging.
The light rays. The light rays from the light rays from the object O then goes through the converging lens and then it bends to the focal point and then it keeps on going.
Okay, you got that idea. So uh, you had in your notes that the light rays coming from a point, then it's going through focal point again.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you please check your diagrams, all the diagrams you
Okay.
drew. Can you check them? Are you seeing the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Wait.
Sir, in question number 24,
Hmm.
the option C, what's that angle called?
24.
Yes, sir.
It's like they are showing that light rays are reflecting back from here, but
Yes.
it is not correct here because this is transparent, right?
Yes.
It is
No, sir.
transparent.
What's
If
this angle called?
this angle, if you see the light rays is going, and if you draw one normal, then in between normal and light ray, it is called angle of incidence. Okay. Now they are showing you it's returning back, so it's reflecting, right?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Mm,
For light
yes, sir.
rays, we have angles. As you are asking about angles, we have angle of incidence, angle of reflection. Then for light rays crossing the transparent medium, that is called angle of refraction, refracting the rays. So that this one actually showing you wrong diagram, right? See,
Yes.
it can never happen in converging lens. And also here A we are seeing the light rays are diverging. So it is also not correct. Now in between B and D we have to choose. You already told me the answer is Dhaka, right?
Yes, sir.
Now that's why we are thinking that will it be Dhaka or will it be Bangladesh? We are researching on it. Okay. So look here. Uh, they are saying which diagram shows the formation of a real image of an object or place in front of a converging lens. So it's real image, right?
Yes, sir.
Then uh, you are choosing B, Bangladesh or Dhaka. Anyway, we will. You think of it. I'm giving you more time. Okay, from your notes, you think of. In our next class, again we'll discuss it. No problem. Now we go to another question. I am just giving you as homework. Okay, you think more. Then we'll give the ruling next class. Okay, 25. Think of 25. Where is Farabi? Farabi?
That
Sir, sir,
Yes, yes.
question number 24 is similar to 21.
Okay, we will have the answer
In question number,
next class. Next class we will have the answer. Okay, inshallah.
okay, sir.
I'm giving you more as your homework for more thinking. Okay, then you tell
Okay,
me
sir.
again in on next class. Now 25. Farabi, hello Farabi. Farabi, Farabi is not listening. Yeah, Monica, can you read 25?
a plane mirror is fixed so that it is an angle of 45 degrees to a table. A ray of light, initially parallel to the table, is incident on the mirror. Which angle does the reflected ray make with the table? I wrote C.
Which
Yes,
angle
sir,
the
same. T.
C? Which angle does the reflected ray make with the table?
No,
Okay. How?
D.
How? Can you explain how it is?
Sir, it's D.
Uh,
It's D. Dhaka.
Okay, you should explain. Anything you give me, you should explain. Otherwise, I'll not accept it.
If
sir,
the ray
I
of
think
light,
it's
if the
Yeah,
ray of light is going
first
directly,
you said C, right?
Yes, sir.
and then you are saying
But
D.
it's
No
actually
problem.
Dhaka.
Now you are
Dhaka.
thinking it is Dhaka. Can you explain how?
The ray of light is hitting the plane mirror. So
Mhm.
when it's reflected back, it will hit the table with 90 degree.
Okay,
Hitting.
can you draw on the screen, please,
Okay.
so that everyone can see it?
This is 90 degree.
Oh, I thought it was E.
So, Monica, she drew correctly, but there is some more explanation here, Monica. You see what we have to do? We should apply the law of reflection here, right?
Yes,
Here,
Yes.
right?
sir.
So you
Incident
draw
rate
here
equals
normal
to.
first.
Oh,
First, you have to draw normal here on the mirror. On the mirror, at the point where the ray of light is hitting the mirror, there you draw the normal first. Okay,
yes, sir.
I am actually
Then
using left hand.
wait.
Here is normal, okay. Then your this angle and this angle should be equal, and then ray of light is coming here, isn't it? Your this ray is correct, and this is reflected ray, right?
Yes, sir.
So reflected ray is coming here. Are you drawing, Mahi?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
please draw it. Then it's reflecting back and it's making 90 degree with the table. So the answer is D, Dhaka.
D.
It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now question number 26. It is also a tricky question. Tricky means you have to draw here, huh? And you have to understand it from the drawing. Okay, check it here.
Okay, sir.
I'm making it a little bit smaller so that the whole thing is coming on the screen. Yeah, now Mahi, you read.
An object is placed 20 centimeter in front of a thin converging lens. The scale drawing shows how the lens forms a real inverted image. Which row gives the focal length of the lens and the distance of the image from the lens?
So, how can you find the focal length from here?
Wait.
You have to draw. I told you, you have to use your ruler. You both have got it printed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, you should label first the focal point. This one is focal point, right? This point.
Yes, sir.
Because the parallel rays are coming and meeting the principal axis at this point. So, this is your focal point. So, you label it. This one as F. Please label it as F. So, the distance between F and the optical center. Here is optical center, right? The middle of the lens. Do you see?
Hmm.
So,
Yes, sir.
so the distance, how we'll find it? Look, for 10 small square, we are having here 5 centimeter, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, 2 small square is
Four.
1 centimeter. So, if you count here, how many small square is here in between F and the optical center? How many?
4
4
centimeter.
4 centimeter,
Four.
but there
Yes.
are 8 small squares, right? So you label here
Yes,
4
sir.
centimeter. Focal length of the lens is 4 centimeter. Then distance of image from the lens. So distance of the image is how much? It is here, right? From the lens means from optical
5
center,
Yes.
centimeter.
5 centimeters. So the answer is A, right?
America.
A.
America, yes.
Mhm.
So Mahi wants to fly to America.
No, sir. It's A.
So done, huh? 26. We gave
Yes, sir.
till we gave the homework till 25, right? And one
Yes,
question
sir.
is left.
Yes,
Again,
sir.
I gave you homework. There is 24. You again try it. Yeah? Now we are having again
Okay.
nice questions. You see, angles, right? Refracting index. Those questions we are getting now. 27. Yeah, Mahi read.
A ray of light is incident on a glass air surface. The diagram shows the ray of light at different angles of incidence in the glass. What is the refractive index of the glass?
Refractive index. We can calculate
So
in 3 ways, right?
the first diagram.
How many ways we can calculate refractive index? 3 formulas, right?
Two.
I
Yes,
gave
sir.
you 3 formulas. So which formula should be applied here? You should first identify that one.
N is equal to sine I by sine R.
Yes.
No.
Mm, let me see. Sine.
Yes, which one? There
Wait,
is
sine.
n equals 1 by sine C.
Sine C.
Yeah, you got that one, right? Is related to critical
Yes,
angle.
sir.
So which diagram is showing you that critical angle?
Um,
First one, second one, or third one?
14.
Can you check the definition of critical angle?
Wait a second. Critical.
Hmm? Which one is showing you the critical angle here? First one, second one, or third one? What is the definition of critical angle? It's written on your copy, right? Can you read from there?
So I have it downloaded and the file is not opening.
Sorry. Look, I'm going back for recalling you only. Please check out, and you also take this course, critical angle. Now, yeah, right from here. Right from here,
Sir,
quickly.
I found my. Sir, wait. I found mine. I found it.
You found it. So, what is critical angle?
Yes.
Here is
When
the
light
definition.
travels from denser to rare medium for certain incident angle, the angle of refraction is right angle. This incident angle is called critical angle for the medium.
Okay, so critical angle is that angle of incidence for what? the angle of refraction is 90 degree, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And in
Yes,
our
sir.
three diagrams, which one is representing you that one, critical angle? For which angle of incidence the angle of refraction is 90 degree?
Second image.
Second image, yes. So our value of C critical angle is 44 degree here, isn't it? So the formula
Yes, sir.
Monica already told, that is n equals 1 by sine C. You apply and get the answer. Get the answer now. Write the formula. First write the formula. N equals 1 by sine C. N equals 1 by sine C. Then 1 by sine 44
Sir,
degree.
number B.
What is the answer coming?
The answer is Bangladesh.
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 1.44, right?
4.
Angle is 44. Then
Yes, one.
angle and refractive index is 44, right? 1.44.
Yes, sir.
So it's matching, right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
if you get a similar question like this, you can answer, right? And
Yes,
if I
sir.
ask you what
Yes,
is called critical angle, you will not take that much time, isn't it? Now, can you tell me what is
inshallah.
critical angle? Can you try
The,
again?
when light is like when light travels from a denser to rarer medium, the angle of refraction is right angle, 90 degree.
Yeah. So critical angle is a angle of incidence, right?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
and for that one, the angle of refraction, you see, it is 90 degree. Is it clear? And light rays are going
Yes, sir.
from denser to rarer medium. They're showing glass to air. It's going from denser to rarer medium. Okay? Is it clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Sir,
yes. Please tell me. Yeah.
need note that the critical angle of glass is 42 degree.
Yes.
Then how is it 40?
Yes. Very good question. I liked it. Listen. Glass. All the glasses are not the same. Okay. Uh, we get crown glass. We get perspex glass, and there are many kinds of glass. So different glass, they have different densities, and because of this, their refractive index is different, and their critical angle is also different. Now it is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The glasses which has less density, they have less critical angle. You will get 42 degree, 43 degree, then you will get 45 degree. Different kinds of glasses are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now 28. Continue, please. This is very easy one, right?
Um,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, tell me
The
this
answer
one's
is B.
answer. What is the answer?
B.
Dhaka, yes, correct. Because
Dhaka.
the image formed by a plane mirror is virtual. So why A is not correct?
Yes, sir.
Why A is not correct?
Mm,
Be-
because plane mirror
mm,
doesn't light on the
Yeah,
object.
image should be equal, right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Image and object are equal, right? Then B, why it is not correct? Same reason, right? Then image is
Yes, sir.
twice as far from mirror as the object. So image distance and object distance are equal. That's why C is incorrect.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
29. 29, Monica, you read.
A thin converging lens has a focal length of 6.0 centimeter. An observer looks through the lens at an object which is placed 4 centimeter from the lens. Which description of the image that is observed is correct? Diminished and sorry, wait. Which description of the image that is observed is diverging lens? Divergent lens.
Sir, B,
Which one? You say Bangladesh or Dhaka?
B, Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Why it is Bangladesh?
No, so it's
It's
A.
A.
Yes, A.
Okay, there is also some clues here. Look, they are saying focal length is 6 centimeter, but the object is
Yeah.
even closer
Yeah.
than the focal length, isn't it? So can you check in your diagram? There
Yeah.
is one diagram is related to this idea that your object is very close to the lens. It is inside the focal length, in between focal length, in between the focal point and the optical center. There is one diagram given in your copy. Check.
About the eye. Or
Which
something.
question?
Yeah, it's right.
Mm,
Yeah, 29 we are talking about, but I said you that
oh, 26.
to check that one of the ray diagrams. For ray diagrams, you got
No.
three.
Oh, yeah, sir, 26.
Listen, you got three examples. One you got for camera eye, another one you got for projector, then another one you got for magnifying glass, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So out of these three, which one is matching with this example? Check. Where the object is very close to the lens.
I didn't hear.
Sir, question number 12.
Question number
Oh,
12.
no.
I am saying to check from your notes. Look, I am going to the notes again. You
Oh,
have
from my
all the notes
no.
written, these diagrams. Look,
Yes,
camera or eye, you got this diagram, right? Isn't it?
yes,
Then for projector, you got this diagram, okay? And you
Hmm.
got these properties of images. Then for magnifying glass, you got this diagram. And see, for this one, the object is very close to the lens.
Focal.
Uh, the focal length is more, the object distance is less. This is only for
Yeah.
magnifying glass, isn't it? Look,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
for other examples, the object is far. Here we have more than focal length, less than double of the focal length. Here we have the object more than double of the focal length, isn't it? So for
Yes,
this
sir.
one, the third one we got here, the object is very close to the lens. Then we are getting the image upright, magnified, virtual, right?
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it? Then you check your
Yes.
answer now. What is your answer? So in your worksheet you write that this is for magnifying glass, where the object is very close and even the distance is less than the focal length. The object distance is less than the focal length. Now you check what is your answer. You got your answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what is your answer now.
It's Dhaka.
Yeah.
So it's clear, right? Now look, what we are going to now, evaluate ourselves. That is, uh, we have all these notes, right? I am
Yes,
not
sir.
giving anything from
Yes, sir.
outside. Everything we are discussing from our notes, but sometimes we fail to link, or we have